Well guys, welcome back to Zach's Workshop. Today, we're going to talk about this Subaru Outback. You guys watched me run a Subaru Outback last year in Barrie, and guess what? We're going to do it again. We're going to double down on that. We're going to do Subaru 2 years in a row in Barrie. The only difference is, last year I had a 70s bumper. This year they're changed it to windshield stock class. Now, Barrie's a fair run derby, but they're getting a lot of the drivers to help, and the drivers are using other companies' rules, so they are using Impact Motorsports as windshield class. So they're letting little things go, they're letting little things not go that are different. Impact does not allow headers. I needed headers because I sold the catalytics off this, so this car actually didn't have exhaust manifolds. So they allow headers, which Impact does not allow headers. I'm not sure if they're going to allow me to do a bumper swap, but we're going to have to find out. And then, not running a cage, so I'm not too worried about that. We're not going to be putting any threaded rod, nothing like that. We're just going to be seat belting it closed. So what needs to be done to this car still? We'll take a walk around it shortly. I'm looking for a rad loop kit that is in the mail from Amazon. We got to cut some holes in the hood for the headers and the intake. We got to tile the door shut. I've notched the back of it. I'm going to try to pre-bend it a bit, but not really allowed, so we'll see how well that goes. And that's just about it, to be honest. I'll walk you through and show you some of the things that we've done. I should cover up the sunroof, but I'm going to say screw it for now. But honestly, I'd like to get these tires on there, and that is the other thing. Let me answer this call. So there's little things that we got to do to this, like the lower rad cradle looks like death spikes. So they're half rotted off, and that's how easy they were to cut off. We're going to cut the holes in the hood. I'm going to try to pre-bend the back of it. I'm going to walk you guys through the, what do you call it? The wiring job, which has been super simple on this. There's a little bit more I'd like to do. I'm going to reinstall the intake. And yeah, that's about it. I'd like to move this fuse panel. Maybe not move it, maybe just unbolt it so it kind of floats. Maybe zip tie some of these wires up and out of the way. I can move that whole wiring. So there's a little bit of things I can still do to this, but let's take a look at the wiring situation. So as of for the wiring, I'm just going to unbolt this and maybe put some spray foam around it, and I'm going to move this ground so that this all comes up and comes through the top. Second thing I got to do is I got to remove a little bit more wiring inside of here that goes up. I'm just going to be bringing all of this wiring up to here. So nothing too major, and then the bottom of the gas tank's already cut out, and then we got to tie the back door shut. And I'm probably just going to reinstall this. And the reason for that is it's going to kind of stop some of the big chunks of mud from getting pulled into the intake. But the main job today is tires, intake, wiring, maybe tighten down the battery box. And that's just about it. This thing is indoors. That's not a very good tie job, is it? So there's quite a bit more that we actually have to do this. So we're going to be working on this tonight and then get going.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
So we've been working on this pretty much all night. We cut out the rear shafts, we cleaned up quite a bit of the wiring, we got the gas tank mounted. I'd like to get rid of this thing because it keeps hitting me in the face. He's over there trying to get some rims to fit. Look at these brand new dirt bike tires. Goddamn nipple still on those. Just a little touch the nipple. We got the hood cut out. We can't really change the bumper, so we didn't do anything there. Dirt bike tire over here. All the wiring's pretty much cleaned up. We got our big notches cut in the back of this thing and hammered down so she's gonna bend up. Got a lot of the wiring cleaned up. There's still a little bit left to do. We got the bottom of the gas tank cleaned up. Guys, this thing here, all we really need is the radiator connect and then holes in the hood. I'll probably do that now. And then finish up the wiring, and then a ratchet strap for the seatbelt. Excuse me, just burping here. And then this car is ready for the Demolition Derby. Oh, I'm gonna make a small list. The starter jumper wire keeps falling off, so I'm gonna write that down. I'm gonna write everything else down on this, and then we'll be right back. Been buying these turbo cans lately. Not sponsored by them, but God damn it, they're good. This one here, I think this is the 4th car it's painted. That's just the white doors, obviously. And my question is it just the cap that makes it paint like this, or is it the actual can itself? But these cans are $29 up here in Ontario. And it's empty. I'm gonna keep the cap, because I think the cap is what makes it spray so aggressively. Yeah, so these cans are expensive. But my fucking god, you get a lot painted with this quick. Like, that was quick. Let's go do the other side. So just like that, we got both doors painted in record time. So I can take some of those things off. So I got starter wire, seat strap, that's the ratchet strap around the seat. Fix up the wiring inside the car, the rad loop line. Put holes in the hood to tie the hood shut, tie the front door shut, and allow us to go in and have fun. So that's about it for this car. It's going to be going to Barrie, Ontario for their windshield class, and that's a stock class. So thanks for watching, guys, and you know, we've been doing a lot more of these bone stock builds here. We're doing the Buick, we're doing this car, we're doing the Nissan Quest. So there's quite a bit of very stock builds coming up this year. So thanks for watching, guys.